What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, and today we are talking about Torchlight Energy Resources, Inc. This is a little bit of a new one for me, so doing a little research on this and just opened up a position in this today at the dip here of, let's see what I got in at, $7.54. So we're down 50 cents on this so far, but I'm not worried about that, for reasons why we'll get to in just a couple of minutes. But first, let's take a quick peek at the RSI. Is sitting at 34.61, and MACDs are fairly flat. But so there's a couple of things going on with this over the next couple of days. I know I missed the dividend date, but again, I'm not worried about that either, because let's go to the first major reason that I bought into this, and that is regarding the merger with Metamaterials, Inc. And so this was from yesterday. They, let's see, from Access Wire. I'm looking at this on fintel.io. And so here we go. Torchlight Energy Resources, Inc., an oil and gas exploration company, today announced that Torchlight and Metamaterial, Inc. have agreed to extend the outside date by which Torchlight and Metamaterial must close their business combination transaction, i.e. merger, to June 30th, 2021. The extension provides time for the June 24th, 21 record date and the June 25th payment date of the special Series A preferred stock dividend declared on June 14th, 2021 to transpire. The payment date for the Series A preferred stock will be June 25th. The company expects to close the arrangement no later than June 30th, 2021. So, number one, they've got a huge merger with Metamaterials, Inc. that people are absolutely buzzing about. That ain't it. Number two, I wanted to go to the short interest on this. So this is the second most shorted stock in the NASDAQ right now, and they have the second they've got the second highest short squeeze score out of all of the stocks that they are tracking. And so let's go right here. So the short squeeze score is a result of a sophisticated multi-factor quantitative model that identifies companies that have the highest risk of experiencing a short squeeze. The model uses a combination of short interest float, short borrow fee rates, and other metrics. The number ranges from 0 to 100, the higher number indicating a higher risk of short squeeze relative to its peers, and 50 is the average. So this is almost perfect 100 out of 100 short squeeze ranking. And so the shorts are going to have to cover by tomorrow, I believe. And so we've got a little bit of DD on the merger here. So the meme lords finally found Torch. For all the apes out there, I figured it's time to give you a brief explanation of what it is you are actually investing in. A lot of you are likely here because you heard dividend $20 million buy now to the moon squeeze incoming. So what exactly is going on here? What is happening is a reverse merger in order to bring Metamaterial, Inc. onto the NASDAQ by merging with Torchlight Energy. As part of the merger, all current shares of Torch will be converted to MMAT, and you will also receive a Series A preferred stock, which will serve as a placeholder for any dividend payouts from selling Torchlight's land and oil. So will there be a reverse split? No, the reverse split was voted on as a contingency to keep the merger from failing if the price dropped below $1, which at this point is highly unlikely, sitting at $7. Are they going to do an offering? Probably eventually. Offerings are important to keep a growing company well-funded when needed. It is how you bring in the big investors. Yes, that causes dilution, but a few cents it could potentially. But the few cents it could potentially drop don't compare to the huge value and growth it brings later. So if you are a long-term investor who believes in the future of the company, offerings will be a good thing. If you're swinging the merger, it has literally no effect on you in any way. We do not know the amount of the dividend. There is many estimates about the amount ranging from 50 cents all the way to $45, but we do not know currently what the payout will be. Anyone telling you they know is making up a number, and I won't be speculating in this post, but I'm not here to talk about the dividend. It's important that you understand what Meta actually is. Metamaterial Inc. is a company that is developing mass production techniques out of something called metamaterials. What are metamaterials? Well, it is complicated, and God knows I won't be able to properly explain it here. But I can give you at least some surface level understanding. Metamaterials are nanostructure composites. It's a way of rearranging the submolecular particles so that waves will interact with the material in ways not normally found in nature. For example, we see gold as a gold color. We see it this way because the light waves hit the gold and the particles it interacts with and reflect that light in a certain wavelength that our eyes perceive as the gold color we see. Let's see. Metamaterials could print that gold in a way that it rearranges the orientation of the particles and cause the light waves to refract from it in a completely different wavelength, making the gold appear a different color, effectively creating gold that is now the color green, blue, or whatever color, all whilst not changing the chemical composition. Another example would be the refraction of light through a pair of glasses. Normally, the more correction you want your lenses to have, the thicker the glasses you would need to. The thicker your glasses would need to be. With metamaterials, you could alter the way that the light waves interact with the material, allowing you to have the material that is only a few atoms thick, that bend light refraction on a nanoscale, the same way as super thick Coke bottle glasses. Now, these are just some poorly explained examples, but the point here is that metamaterials refract wavelengths in a controlled way on a nanoscale, and it's not just the light waves, but also sound or magnetic waves, which is pretty crazy, which can do amazing things, from more accurate ultrasounds to more efficient solar panels to AR glasses with super tiny pixel sizes to laser protection. The list is true. So this is the last super important piece that I wanted to get to on Torchlight. So this is from TradeZero US or us.tradezero.co. TradeZero clients, symbol TRCH, will undergo a share spin-off with the expiration date listed as Wednesday, June 23rd, 2021. Due to the circumstances and uncertain component of this corporate action, all options positions and short equity positions must be liquidated by 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday, June 22nd, 2021. If you fail to liquidate your position, TradeZero's risk department will automatically liquidate your position. So, magic burn hole soon. Shorts will get wrecked. So this one could be pretty crazy over the next couple of weeks. I am expecting this to get back up over its, let's go zoom out a little bit. I am expecting this to go back over its 52 week high. Yeah, I am expecting this to get back up over $11 once that merger goes through on the 30th. So I will be holding this probably long term, but I would say for at least a month. But again, probably for at least maybe 6 months. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of Torchlight Energy Resources Inc. I'm very interested to see what you guys think of this. If this is just a meme stock, or if you guys actually think there is some value in this, or if I just wasted a bunch of money. But anyways, that's going to do it for this one, guys. And please, as always, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Torchlight Energy Resources Inc. as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.